one good thing we've been doing is a friend of mine had posted, like, I think it was off Pinterest, so it was about doing jobs for Monopoly money that could buy you time on YouTube, or it could, buy you a couple of treats, and the kids have been wanting to do chores, and their rewards are things that they might already be doing, but they get to see that it is actually a reward to be able to, sit on your device for an hour and just kind of using a reward system to keep them busy. Like, it's not just the activities that they're doing, but they're contributing to, the balance of the housework and supporting their parents.
Yeah. I like that idea with the money. I mean, you've got pretend money, haven't you? Monopoly money. You could easily create your own money. That could be an activity in itself, couldn't it?
Yeah. One other thing is a friend has started like tutorials for kids at home. And it's got a variety of different tutorials from like art, cooking, like one last night was creating paper bead necklaces, learning how to do shading and drawing faces. So there's a few combination of teachers and artists on there that are uploading videos, tutorials for kids.
Cool.